तो इसलिए वो कुछ ना कुछ बहाना ढूंढ के बहस करना नहीं चाहते, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है। अदरवाइज कोई मतलब नहीं है। आप पहले बहस होने दो ना, बाद में कौन समाधान देगा? बहस का समाधान कौन देते? सरकार देते। सरकार माने कौन है? संबंधित मंत्री भी हो सकता है, विषय जिनका है तो वो भी हो सकता है। उस समय अनुसार और नियम के अनुसार, परंपरा के अनुसार समाधान होगा। कुछ ना कुछ बहाना बना के हाउस को चलने नहीं देना और इश्यू डाइवर्ट करने के लिए प्रयास करना किसी के लिए उचित नहीं है। एवरीबडी इज अवेयर व्हाट इज द रूल पोजिशन, what are the precedents. They have been in power for more than 50 years. They have ruled in the center, they have ruled in the state. There are umpteen number of examples where the concerned ministers have answered the debate. Let the debate go on. In between, halfway through, they seems to have realized by raising such a debate, it is going negative for them, and it is boomerang on them. Now I am afraid, are they trying to find out a way out to come out of this and then stall the debate on one pretext or other? Otherwise, there is no rational whatsoever. Let the debate go on. There are rules, there are procedures, the chair is there, and then everything will be taken care.
So the Samajwadi Party, which is being part of the
जवाब नहीं देंगे, मतलब
यहाँ बताना है क्या? हाउस में बताएंगे, जब विषय आएगा तब बताएंगे कौन देगा कौन नहीं देगा।
Sir, the Samajwadi Party, which has been part of the opposition and opposing this, their own minister in the state, the bank gets opened midnight for that minister, and they are talking about the common man suffering.
I don't want to make any comment without having first-hand knowledge. My point is, the entire country is watching. I have respectfully, humbly submitted in the House also yesterday. The people are watching, who are with the hoarders, who are with the black money people, who are with the government, and with the Prime Minister, who has taken such a great revolutionary step. That is the issue. They have to make a choice about the problems faced by the people. Government is addressing each one of the problem. And even today also you have seen about the cooperative sector, what is the decision that is taken. Any suggestion coming, if it is worth considering, is being considered positively. Government is open to ideas to improve the system. But if somebody try to question this and somebody try to attribute motives, people are there to finally come to an assessment and decide who is standing where. That's the point I made. Let every party decide, are they in favor of this move or against this move. That is the basic issue for which they have no answer directly. They are speaking in double tone, they are speaking in different voices, and they are not able to come out openly either for or against. They are in dilemma. The dilemma will continue.